Before bringing inventory into your SellerCloud system, you can set up the warehouses with which you will be storing or associating the inventory. SellerCloud operates in either a single warehouse mode or a multi-warehouse mode. With the single warehouse mode, all inventory is stored and shipped from a single warehouse, and no additional configuration is needed. With the multi-warehouse mode, you can create as many warehouses as you need. You can also designate specific warehouses to be sellable or unsellable. You can transfer inventory between warehouses, and the multi-warehouse mode also allows you to ship via FBA. When working in the multi-warehouse mode, your warehouses can be set up under the Settings tab by clicking on Warehouses. On the Warehouse page, click Add New Warehouse. Let's talk about the different types of warehouses. The normal warehouse type is the most common type of warehouse and refers to a typical in-house facility in which you store your products. The FBA warehouse type is associated with products that are stored at an Amazon fulfillment center. An interim warehouse type represents inventory that is in transit between two warehouses. This means that when shipping a product from your normal warehouse to an FBA center, for example, SellerCloud will track your shipment by placing it in the interim warehouse. When SellerCloud is notified by Amazon that the shipment has been received, the inventory will transfer into the FBA warehouse automatically. Let's give the warehouse a name. Now we'll select a warehouse type. We'll select Normal. Then we'll enter the warehouse profile information. The profile information will be used as the contact information and return address when doing an inventory transfer. Check the default warehouse checkbox on your main warehouse. This way, all products added or shipped will be added to or shipped from this warehouse, unless specified otherwise. Warehouses can be designated as sellable and unsellable. If the warehouse is marked as sellable, all inventory in that warehouse may be sold, provided that the individual product's selling criteria are met. If the warehouse is marked as unsellable, all inventory in that warehouse will not be available for sale. For example, we can create a normal warehouse type warehouse for returned items and mark that warehouse as unsellable. This way, those items will not return to stock before they are inspected. Inventory associated with an unsellable warehouse will be considered part of the physical quantity. It will not, however, be calculated as part of the aggregate available or sellable quantity. On the other hand, inventory located in a sellable warehouse will be available as part of the aggregate available quantity and will be used to fill orders. You can create as many normal warehouses as you need. Just click Add New Warehouse and repeat the process. Now let's create warehouses for FBA and interim. You can create multiple interim warehouses to be assigned to different shipments. For example, you can create an interim warehouse called In Transit to FBA Warehouse for FBA, and another interim warehouse named Company Truck for when transferring inventory from one physical warehouse location to another. Now that your warehouses are configured, you can begin to bring inventory into the system. For more information on setting up warehouses, please visit wiki.sellercloud.com.